Hey guys, Mr. Corey back again from Bywater Boys and Girls Club. Today we're going to do some flashcards, but I'm going to give you a few different tips that you can remember that makes them a little bit easier. We're going to start off with the number 0. The number 0, when you're subtracting, the number 0, anytime you see the number 0, the answer will always be the other number. So when you see this, you see 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0. So it's telling us that we have the number 3 and we have the number 0. So we have let's say 3 books. We're taking away 0. What is the number going to be? What is the answer going to be? It's going to be 3. Anytime you see a 0 in subtraction, you're taking away nothing. So the answer will always be the other number, okay? Let's try it again. Here we have 7 minus 0. What do you think the answer will be? We have 7 books. We're taking away none. What is the answer? That's right, 7. Anytime you see 0, anytime you see subtraction, it's always the other number. Here we have a tricky one. 0 minus 0. 0 books minus 0 books. No books minus no books. The answer is going to be 0. That's correct. 9 minus 0. Here's a bigger number. So what are we going to do? We're going to look at the sign, subtraction. We're going to look at the number, 0. And we're going to look at the other number, which is 9. 9 minus 0. 9 books take away 0 equals what? Still 9. That's correct. Got a couple more. 8 minus 0. 8 take away nothing. Still leaves 8. That's good. Last one here. 4 minus 0 will always be what? It will always be 4. Good job. Now, for my middle schoolers, I have a couple other tips for you guys. We're gonna use the numbers 1 today, 10, 11, and 0. So we're gonna do multiplication. So when you're multiplying times 1, the answer will always be the opposite number. Just like 0 and subtraction, the answer will always be the opposite number. 1 times 1 will always equal 1, okay? 2 times 1 will always equal 2, okay? Always equal 2, okay? I don't know if you can see that. And this is 9 times 1. Anytime you see a 1 in multiplication, it is always the other number. It's never this number. You don't have to add, you don't have to subtract. All you have to do is recognize that this is a 1 and this is a 9. And it's always 9. Let's try these again. 1 times 1. You see the 1, you see the 1, you see the multiplication, it's always 1. 2 times 1. You see the 1, you see the multiplication, 2 times 1 is always 2. 9 times 1. Always the opposite number. It's never 1. It's always 9.